One of the enemy's greatest attacks against the body of Christ is causing us to try to live this life, I'm going to say, independently. And I think the reason being is because the English language is a powerful language, but it also can be a very confusing language because we say words, but we don't have the same concept of the word that we're trying to communicate. And if you don't have the same concept when you say a word, then you will misunderstand what's being stated, which is why they call the word misconception. Because there's one concept of a word being communicated, but the person receiving the communication has a different concept of the words. There's a misconception. Does that make sense? So what happens is when we say that Christianity is personal, we assume personal means independent. We assume that it means my version. We assume that it means that I have a different one than everybody else, in the sense that it's tailor-made for me, which means there is not a standard or a way that we all must play a role in.